Be the African lady.
Here's 3 plantain because again, I'm not a big fan of fufu. It's your girl with another video. Okay, so today I am attempting to try cooking the African, I don't know, we got the ingredients from a Nigerian on TikTok, but Egusi soup and fufu. I'm not a real big fan of fufu, but I decided we're gonna do it the plantain way because fufu to me is like the Jamaican ackee and saltfish to other people who know, like they don't know that you're getting taste from the ackee and the saltfish and not the dumpling. That's what fufu is like for me. You're gonna get the taste from the egusi, but not the fufu. So I'm not really a big fan of fufu, but I'm gonna hope that the plantain way is gonna be better. So far, we've got cow skin going. The cow skin was not my idea. Didn't really want that. We're doing it with beef because this is the first time and groceries a little too expensive to be playing around with money, okay? If it turns out like A+, or even a B+, then we can do a bigger batch and then we can use the goat. We can invest a little bit more, but for now, we're not doing that. So far, we have the cow skin. Here are the other ingredients. Here's the beef. We got 3 plantain because again, I'm not a big fan of fufu. We got some bell peppers. This is to wash the beef with. We have the spinach, chicken stock, and some other seasonings over there. Yup. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit so y'all can see me. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my beef and put it in a pot because we kinda got a lot to do. Tonight, we're going to a comedy show. Something I planned. I'm excited. It's I don't remember his name. When I find his name, I'll put it here. And then next month is DL Hughley or something like that, and Gabriel, he called himself Fluffy. Yeah, I used to watch him on YouTube and now he's on Netflix, I believe. So yeah, let's watch this.
Make sure you're washing your meat. If you're not washing your meat, you know we're already judging you, and that's on period. The cow skin was already going, so now I'm just adding the beef to the pot. Yes, good body, y'all, go on. Now I'm gonna give it a little stir with the cow skin and let that cook down some. Alright, so now I'm gonna make the paste, and that's gonna be with the crayfish or crawfish, whatever you want to call them, in here. And we're gonna add some water to that and just stir it up till it get a little bit thick. We're working on our pepper mix right here.
So I'm just cutting up some bell peppers because they're gonna go in the blender. We're gonna blend this up now. So we got our onions, scotch bonnet, and the sliced up onions that I have, that's what's gonna go into the pot. But another onion, that's gonna be blended up. That's a mixture, so yeah.
You know, you gotta add a little bit of water. I don't know why I didn't do that at first, but let's move to the stove. Now, we're using some palm oil and I'm using the OB, what's this? I don't know. My finger's in the way. I made sure I asked all the Nigerians in the store, what brand should I use? And they said this one. Then you're gonna add your pepper mix that you blended up in here. You know, I said not to add any more oil, but you can't tell this man nothing. So he added more oil, and when I said the oil couldn't kill me, I'm not telling no lie. We didn't have any chicken cubes, so we're using just the chicken bouillon. He decided to add some paprika. I don't know because I never said that to the ingredients, but okay. Adding the beef and the cow skin to the pot now, and we're gonna let that cook and simmer down as well.
Okay, so I just washed off my plantains, and so we're gonna cut them up, put them in the blender with some water, blend it up, that'll be our fufu, and then beat it.
As I said before, I'm not too big on the fufu, but this plantain fufu, yes. Let's go ahead and add our spinach to the pot. Give it a little stir. We're gonna add some chicken stock. I didn't measure it. I just kept going till my ancestors said stop. Coil. No, sir. We're gonna blend our plantain now. Now we're gonna add a little bit of water, as we said before.
Okay, now it's done. Here's the blended up plantain. Don't tell me it's plantain. I'm Jamaican, so it's a plantain. All right, we don't say plantain. Anyways, we're gonna pour this in here, and then I'm gonna Be the African lady. So that's what we're gonna do now.
All right, I saw you look. Yes, girl, go on with yourself. We added some fufu powder, not too much as you can see, but it's to thicken it up.
All right, so the fufu is done. So now I'm gonna put it on the plastic bag, well, the plastic wrap. We're gonna use this much. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. So it doesn't stick.
This is what plantain fufu look like. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. It body so till.
Okay, everything is done. And I have my cute bowl. I like it, it's a boat shaped bowl. So now we're gonna put the fufu in it and, well, the egusi first.
Look on it, I'm not telling no lie. Look on that. Then he went home and gave his mama some. She talking about less oil. Yes, ma'am, your son did it. Look at the oil in my bowl that I'm trying to hide. Baby, I had to drain that out.
Alright, guys, it's done. Let me pull my head up so y'all can see. It looks so cute. I got my water for me to. So let's let's give it a little review. Yeah. Yes, I like this one because it's not bland like the one that's not plantain. I don't know which one that is originally used, but this is good. This is good. You can taste the sweetness of the plantain. And I thought I wasn't gonna eat the cow stem. Let's give that a go. Ooh. Here it is. I gotta send this to my friend. I definitely like plantain fufu. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna finish eating. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and come over to Teash. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. I don't know, I think the food too good and I said surprise, like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Until next time, peace.